Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is pavakar korambu. Now this is a South Indian style bittergourd curry. Now I actually got many requests asking for bittergourd recipes and I decided to show this recipe for you guys. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the pavakar korambu, first we're going to season the pavakar pieces, that is the bittergourd pieces, with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this helps to cut down the bitterness of the vegetable. Just gently toss it. Pour a little water. Just mix it. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. Take a wide saucepan or kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, Chana Dal, Urad Dal, Cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek seeds, red chilies. To this add 1 onion chopped, 2 green chilies, few cloves of garlic. Next add 1 large chopped tomato. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Rinse the bittergourd pieces and add them into the saucepan. Close and cook the vegetable for about 10 minutes. Next I'm going to pour 1 cup of tamarind puree. Next add 1 cup of water. After 10 minutes of cooking the curry, add 2 teaspoons of powdered jaggery. Garnish it with some fresh curry leaves. Turn off the stove. So there you go, here's a very simple and delicious bittergourd curry that you can enjoy with some nice steaming rice and papad. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.